Now students, move on for the fourth blank, that is I dash do or does not like to watch cartoons daily. Students, you know that you can see it, I is a subject, so we will use do as a helping verb with the subject of I. I do not like to watch cartoons daily. Move on next. The fifth blank is we dash do or does not wear warm clothes in the winter. Students, you know that we is a plural noun, so we will use do as a helping verb with it. We do not wear warm clothes in winter. Sixth blank is you dash do or does not draw beautiful pictures. You do not draw beautiful pictures. She is a third person, so we will use does as a helping verb with it. She does not go to park every Saturday. The last sentence of this question is it dash do or does not get cold in the evening these days. It does not get cold in the evening these days. Students, move on next page, book page 32. Here an activity is given that you will do. Find the words in the word search which are the opposite in the meaning to the words given below. You can take help from the word bank. Students, on book page 33 there is given a word bank. You will choose an opposite of the relevant word and make a puzzle in book page 32. You can write the opposite of the words in front of the word. First word is blessed and the opposite of blessed is cursed. Cursed. The second word is biggest. The opposite of biggest is tiniest. Third one is active and opposite of active is lazy. Fourth word is whispered. The opposite of whispered is shouted. Fifth is polite and opposite of polite is rude. Short. Opposite of short is tall. The seventh word is solution and the opposite of solution is problem. The eighth one is more and opposite of more is less. Ninth word is happy and the opposite of happy is sad. Last word is interesting and opposite of interesting is boring. Students, you will make a puzzle of the opposites of given words. For example, the first word is blessing. The opposite of blessing is cursed. You will search the word curse in the given letters and make a puzzle of this word. For example, the first word, the opposite of first word is cursed. That was the opposite of word blessing. You make a puzzle of the opposite in here. Second one is biggest. The opposite of biggest is tiniest. So you can see the puzzle of second word, that is tiniest. Third word is active and opposite of active is lazy. You can see the puzzle of third word in here. Fourth one is whispered. The opposite of whispered is shouted and you can make a puzzle of shouted in here. The fifth word is polite and opposite of polite is rude. You can make the puzzle of fifth word in here. Next word is short and opposite of short is tall. You can see it in here, that is puzzle of the word tall. Seventh word is solution and the opposite of solution is problem. You can make the puzzle of the word problem in here. And eighth word is more and opposite of more is less. You can see it, the word less in here. Ninth word is happy and opposite of happy is sad. You can make a puzzle of word sad in here, and the last one is interesting, and opposite of interesting is boring. You can see the word boring in here. That is your today's diary that you will be learn. And today students who have complete our exercise of unit 3, who did Patrick's homework. So do your exercise on your book and also learn it carefully. Okay, thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.